Welcome to the #All-Rounder course webinar. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, our Experts Trading Institute is the ideal place to improve your skills and knowledge of the stock market. Our team of experts at ASTA has years of experience in the financial industry, and we are committed to helping you learn how to trade and create your own ideal trade calls. With over 10,000 participants, our webinars provide a unique opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals and learn from the best. Registering for our webinars is easy. Simply visit our website and click on the Register Now button. Our webinars cover a range of topics, from market analysis to technical analysis, and we also offer specialized courses on trading strategies and risk management. With our tailored approach to learning, you can be sure that you are acquiring the right skills and knowledge to become a successful trader. That's why we provide a range of resources to help you navigate the complex world of online trading. From our detailed guides to our online forums, you'll find everything you need to become a confident and competent trader. So sign up today and start your journey towards successful stock trading.